And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off Do Not Disturb mode for notifications on your Chromebook. So if you want to receive notifications normally, once again, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher and type in settings. Best match, you'll come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select apps, and then on the right side underneath apps, select where it says notifications. Do not disturb, notifications won't pop up on the screen. Click inside this oval to toggle to the left to disable do not disturb, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.